before we continue the rest of the video, a quick shout out to today's sponsor, GPT Disguise. If you ever use AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude for school, work or side projects, but you're on a shared screen or around people, GPT Disguise is a Chrome extension that stealthily blends those AI interfaces right into your browser so nobody can see what you're doing. It's super easy to use and you can check it out for free using the link in the description. Alright, the next part of the video I'll be talking over some Minecraft PvP gameplay. I hope you enjoy it. There's going to be the keyboard sounds in the background. So the keyboard has a very solid weight. I think it's about 2 kilograms, and it is a full CNC aluminum build. It has a compact 75% form, which is my favorite keyboard layout size. It's not too small, not too big, it's perfect. It has the function rows and the arrow keys. Alright, I'm gonna go into more detail about the keyboard. So as you could already saw, there is a ball catch quick release system, which is very useful for modding. There's a bunch of foam that came in the box that allows you to customize the sound. If you want it to sound poppy, or more thocky, or more clacky, you can do it with the foam. And you don't need to unscrew like 10 screws just so you can get to the case. It's really simple. Just pull off the case and you're fine. The keyboard also supports tri-mode wireless with 2.4 GHz via a USB dongle. There's Bluetooth for multi-device pairing, and there's also the wide mode. Pretty simple. The software, it supports QMK and VIA, which are the two best softwares for keyboard. Very easy to use and download. And you can remap macros, layout customizations, and they're very straightforward with a web browser, which is very cool. Now you might be wondering, what is better, the Wave75, the keyboard that has dominated so many years, such a good budget keyboard, or the Wave75? So the main reason why you can get the Wave75 is the modability is far easier to use than the Wave75 with the ball catch system. The sound profile is very good pre-built. The switches are the lilac switches, which sound very creamy, very good. And for the price, it's around $120 to $130, which is $20 cheaper than TKO competitors like the Aurora 80, which places it right at or below the current Wave75 pricing. Although Wave75 is out of stock a lot of the time, so yeah, that is why you should buy the Wave75 in my opinion. But for the rest of the video, I'll just play out the rest of the Minecraft PvP gameplay with some ASMR. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.